Have you been searching for the perfect pickup truck with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? Take a look at this 2022 Ford F-150 XLT in carbonized gray. With pre-collision assist, post-collision braking, 20-inch aluminum wheels, blind spot monitoring, tow package, heated front seats, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 75,000 miles on the odometer, 12-inch touchscreen, navigation, remote start, panoramic sunroof, 3.5-liter turbocharged V6 engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at marinocjd.com, stock number 107038.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.